Hello friends, in the past episodes we have seen how to solve the problems involving a single series of patterns or a triangular pattern. Today we will take a look at a different type of problem which involves multiple series. Now let's take an example of these numbers which has 20, 20, 19, 16, 17, 13, 14, 11, and then we have two missing numbers. If you look at these patterns, it's very difficult to identify if they follow a single pattern if you look at it as a single series. However, let's try to look at these numbers in a different way. Let's take all the odd numbers separately and the even numbers separately. So we have 20, 19, 17, 14 and question mark. So this is series 1. We have the next series as 20, 16, 13, 11, question mark. In this pattern, let's see what is the difference. Here it is going to be 20 minus 1 is 19, 19 minus 2 is 17, here it's minus 3 is 14. If we take the same example and extrapolate it, minus 4 will be 10. And the other way around, here 20 minus 4 is 16, minus 3 is 13, 13 minus 2 is 11, and if you do minus 1, it is going to be 10. So the missing numbers are 10, 10. In case if you run into this kind of multi-series where you have to find multiple numbers that are missing, try to split the pattern into two and see if you can find the correlations. Solve similar problems. I will try to post them in our next episode. Thank you.